Runny nose, congestion in the chest, frequent coughing and fever are all signs of your child's poor respiratory health. But this scientifically formulated cough syrup can help your child with a good immunity. This is Respirade Ayurvedic Cough Syrup by Nisarga Herbs, made with 9 natural herbs such as vasaka, tulsi, haldi, pipali, dalchini, kantakari, sunthi and parijat. It provides fast relief from cough and cold symptoms. Being 100% natural, this sugar-free, chemical-free and toxin-free solution is a safe choice for your kids above 3 years. While soothing a sore throat, it also provides relief from allergic symptoms and protects overall respiratory health.